You're about to learn 30 Italian action words. No grammar, no explanations. Just say every word out loud.
Andare,
To go,
andare. Venire,
to come,
venire. Mangiare,
to eat,
mangiare. Bere,
to drink,
bere. Dormire,
to sleep,
dormire. Correre,
to run,
correre. Camminare,
to walk,
camminare. Nuotare,
to swim,
nuotare. Guidare,
to drive,
guidare. Aiutare,
to help,
aiutare.
Don't think, just repeat. That's how this sticks.
Entrare,
To enter,
entrare. Uscire,
to go out,
uscire. Cucinare,
to cook,
cucinare. Piangere,
to cry,
piangere. Ridere,
to laugh,
ridere. Parlare,
to talk,
parlare. Dire,
to say,
dire. Cadere,
to fall,
cadere. Salire,
to go up,
salire. Scendere,
to go down,
scendere.
If you're still here, you're doing it right. Say it again.
Lavorare,
To work,
lavorare. Giocare,
to play,
giocare. Aspettare,
to wait,
aspettare. Ascoltare,
to listen,
ascoltare. Guardare,
to look,
guardare. Toccare,
to touch,
toccare. Cantare,
to sing,
cantare. Suonare,
to play,
suonare. Ballare,
to dance,
ballare. Saltare,
to jump,
saltare.
You just learned 30 Italian action words. Now stop watching, go back, and say them again. That's how you actually learn. How many games did you recognize? Drop it in the comments.